This is a video. I'm making this video in Rakhine State. This is the most beautiful place in Rakhine State. Now I am going to visit Ali Than Kyaw from Maungdaw. If you watch this video, I'm sure this video can make you a little happy and enjoy watching this video. If you are new for this channel, please subscribe. If you are new for this page, please follow my page. Many people of my community doesn't know about this route. This route is from Maungdaw to Ali Than Kyaw. If you come to visit in this place, of course I am sure you will happy a little, because this is a very beautiful place in Rakhine State. The tree is blowing and the road is crying because there is no one to walk on this road. This is the inheritance of my community. Please come once to visit and join with me. I visited many places in many countries, but I couldn't find kind of this one. When I watch this video, I feel very happy because this is my inheritance. That's why. If you feel happy watching this video, and of course don't forget that to share this video. Many people of my community been crazy to visit in this place. I don't need anything in my life. I just want to live in kind of this place. I know your tears dropping from your eyes when you watch this video, like me. Please stand to go there again. The road and the place and Arakan are crying for us to walk on them. We moved from this country to abroad, but we miss our country. We should back again to our inheritance, Arakan. I was born in this place, but currently I am living in the largest refugee camp in Bangladesh. I don't want to live in this life. I mean in this refugee life. I just want to back to my country. I have never seen like this place in my life. There is no place in this world more delightful than this one. Every part of my body are crying to live and visit in this place. There is no place in this world like this one. I love my country and I love my Arakan and I love my inheritance. This is the place I am starting to love, hope and dreams. When I see lot of people in this place, and just I start to cry by thinking that how I can be there one day. And of course I will try. Yeah, my dear Arakan, how can you live without us? We are being like ice cream in living refugee camp. Don't keep us in the water. If you keep us in the water, we will be melt. The world made us like football, but we can't control the kicking. Please save us. Oh my Almighty Allah, please take us again to our inheritance, Myanmar. I mean in Rakhine State. Oh my Almighty Allah, I have a question to you, that what did I do bad for my country and why I had to left my country? Ya Allah, I just want to beg. Please take me again in my inheritance. I want my country. I love my country. Please take me again to my country. I just cry to live again in my country. Please, Allah, I don't want to live in this refugee life. The walls make us like football, but we can't control the kicking. Please save us from the kicking of the wall. The wall is seeing, but we just crying. The world is selling us, but we just ruling. Ya Allah, you made us human, but the world is using us as animals. Ya Allah, we are weakness, but the world is kicking us. Just save us from the kicking we can't control. Ya my community friends, please share this video to your friend and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.